Have you ever thought if the biggest animals on earth like whales and elephants have millions of times more cells than you and me, shouldn't they be like cancer factories? By all logic, their size and age should make them far more likely to get cancer than us, and yet they almost never do. The real question is, what do they know about beating cancer that we don't? You and I each have about 30 trillion cells. Each time a cell divides, there's a chance of mutation, and too many mutations can cause cancer. Now multiply that by the size of a whale or elephant. That should be game over, right? But it's not. This mystery is called Petto's paradox. Elephants are practically superheroes. Despite having 100 times more cells than us, they are 5 times less likely to get cancer. Their secret is the p53 gene. While you and I only have 2 copies of this tumor suppressor gene, elephants have 20 copies. That's why tumors almost never stand a chance. Blue whales have 1,000 times more cells than us, yet cancer is rare. Scientists discovered that whales have supercharged DNA repair systems. Their cells are like master editors, constantly proofreading, spotting mistakes, and fixing them before they cause trouble. Now let's get small, the naked mole rat. These pink rodents can live up to 30 years. And guess what? They almost never get cancer. The reason is a sticky molecule called high molecular mass hyaluronan. This sugar-like substance in their skin stops cells from overcrowding. And then there are sharks. For decades, people believed sharks never got cancer. That turned out not to be completely true. They can, but it's extremely rare. Their immune systems seem to work in ways we don't fully understand. So the big question is, if nature has already solved cancer in whales, elephants and mole rats, could it one day solve it for us too? And speaking of nature's mysteries, here's something else that will blow your mind. Some animal mothers are doomed to die just by giving birth. Why would evolution allow that? Stick around because that story is even stranger than this one.